Hello everyone. So as we all know, Telegram has just updated their interface right now, and it is very easy for anyone to import any token now on Telegram. All right, the latest update has just made everything very easy for us. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to import your token on Metamask. The first thing you have to be doing is to know the network that the token that you want to be importing is built on. All right, know the network that it is built on. After knowing the network, you go and copy the contract address that you're going to be importing, or you want to import in your Metamask, and import it. Okay, so for you to be able to import any token right now on Metamask, just like I said, the first thing you have to do is to come over to where you have this. You head to where you have this plus sign over here. It has been moved to this section. All right, so you have to click now to where you have this plus sign. So you tap on it. After typing on it, now you can now decide to select the network that you wanna be importing. Okay, so I'll click on that drop down button right there. After clicking on that drop down button right there, this is what I was telling you guys. So you have to know the network that you want to be importing your token into. Is the network that you want to be importing your token into the Ethereum network, or the Sepolia network, or the linear network? Okay, you have to know the network that you want to be importing your token to. All right, so for the sake of this video, I want to be importing my BNB. The coin that I want to be importing is built on the BNB network, so I'm just going straight here and select my mainnet. All right, so I'm going to select this BNB smart chain mainnet because the coin I want to be importing is built on BNB. I hope that is clear enough. So after selecting it, you tap on it. After typing on it, now this is where the main thing is all about. This is where you are going to be adding your contract address. Okay, after adding your contract address right here, you click on your next. After clicking on your next, it's going to take you to where you can confirm, and after confirming, you are going to the network is going to be added automatically. Okay, the coin is going to be added automatically into your Metamask, and then you can now come over here. It's gonna be popping up. It's gonna be showing up right here on your Metamask. Okay, it's gonna be showing up right here on your Metamask. Okay, so and then also the mainnet is gonna be showing BNB Smart Chain mainnet. Okay, and then the coin that you imported is gonna be showing right below here, right below this section. Okay, so that is how to import any token right here on your Metamask. If you have any question, drop them at the comment section. I'll reply in 5 minutes. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop new videos, you're gonna be updated. Also, do your best to join the Telegram and WhatsApp group to stay updated in latest features. See you in the next video.